Friday we were buying this, guys. We hit a target. So, so the question remains, what are we going to do today? For today, guys, as long as the price stays above 1.36361, guys, we are bullish. And guys, my first target would be 1.36714. Guys, and my next one would be 1.37011. And guys, if you break below this, I think we will be going for 1.36078, and after that, guys, my second target would be 1.35910. So we continue the bullish move from Friday, guys. So we keep on buying this as long as we are above 1.36361. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.